Well, this is it. Dark Horse ManO-War Compesator. Got your brochure in here. And this is the masterpiece. This here has, you can see little holes here. Those scoop up the oil and shoot it inside. Let's see, is this two-piece or is this one? Yeah, that's all one piece. And here's the big daddy compensator. It's a pretty heavy piece, but I'm going to shed a couple of these pounds putting this on. Get their logo in it right there. They got torque marks on the these Allen heads, so when you can see the holes that you have to line that bushing up with. They oil the actual rubber. There's hard rubber pieces in there, and those Allen heads, those 4 Allen heads, are how you change them out. So this is that ManO-War. See, this here will line up with those holes, and get some oiling going on there. And so I got, for the actual tensioner, I got a manual tensioner. This is a piece of billet aluminum. It's got the screw right there, goes in that hole. And set this chain how I want to run it instead of how that automatic tensioner feels like running it. And so yeah, that's what we're going to do tonight, is change these out. I already got my zip tie on there, and I'm not going to bore you guys with taking some bolts off and taking some pieces off. I'm just going to go ahead and cut this video and show you guys what it looks like after I get it on here. And then we're gonna do some ride videos and just keep updated with what's going on with it. I'm not planning on changing much to this motorcycle. I changed out the windshield to Clockworks windshield. Love it, absolutely love it. The seat I might change out with LaPera extended seat, because you can see from right here to there, there's not much room there. I mean, I start squirming after a while. That seat kind of crushes down, and LaPera's got a seat that's extended. It'll go out, 2 inches back, so that'll give me a little more flat area to set on right there. But other than that, cup holder for Mom, some cup holders there, and phone holder so I can watch my videos. It's the first time I used my stand here. Got this got these really nice tie downs. These are self-retracting with the red tab there, red button there. I got a Craftsman jack that I use when I work on this thing. When I first got it, I basically just did the wheel bearings and brake rotors and brake pads, and front and rear, and I'm glad that I did the rear because someone decided they were going to JB weld 2 of the bolts into the rear rotor, and with the load that rear brake caliper takes on its own to JB weld something like that and then get on a motorcycle and ride it, I don't even understand how they could even work the controls if they're that damn stupid. But anyway, we're going to see this ManO-War compensator on next, so stay tuned.